Types of women you should never sleep with in your life. If you want to keep progressing, if you want to avoid setback, failure and bad luck, never you in your life have anything to do with these types of women. They make men to experience setback and they destroys men's destiny. And even if you encounter such a woman already, pray God will forgive you and never go back to her again if you want to be the best version of yourself. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end to know the types of women you should never sleep with. But before I proceed on this video, I want to tell you that my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So if today is your first time to come across this channel, subscribe to be a member of this channel. Hit the like button to support this channel and turn on the bell so that anytime I upload a new video, it will notify you of my new upload. So what are the type of women you should never date, you should never sleep with if you want to keep progressing in life and avoid poverty and bad luck? There are many types of women you should never sleep with, but I came with 3 most dangerous type of women you should never sleep at all costs. Number 1 is sex workers. Yes, who is a sex worker? A sex worker is someone who always engage in sex for the sole aim of making money. She is a sex worker. Or a man who always engage in sex to get money is also a sex worker. And this involve having many men with different spirits. So many men coming to that lady may come with different spirits, and this lady is getting that spirit. And if you as a man encounter her, you may likely to contact or be initiated with that spirit, and that spirit will also be working in your life. That is why you need to avoid having anything to do with a sex worker if you want to keep progressing and be the best version of yourself. Please avoid this type of woman if you need the best in your life. Number 2 is strange woman. Who is a strange woman? A strange woman is a woman you meet either in the party, in a club, in ceremony. Both of you don't know each other before, but all of a sudden both of you feel like being attractive to each other, and you as a guy, you met her, toast her, she agreed to follow you to your house that same day for the sole aim of having intimacy. My brother, you may not know if that lady is a setup. It may be that she is being set up for you to get into a trap for your destruction. And for you to have a strange woman in your life, you may likely to have a downfall, because that strange woman may be someone who is on mission. So avoid having anything to do with a strange woman. Before you have anything to do with her, make sure that both of you have known each other for months before having anything. If as you are going to know each other for months, you find out something good, continue with her. But if eventually you don't see anything interesting, leave that lady to avoid destroying your destiny. Number 3 and the last woman you should never sleep with is a woman who jump from one point to another. Now, who is a woman that jump from one point to another? It is a woman that move from one point to another for the sole aim of sleeping with men to get money. Yes, just like hookup ladies. Please avoid them. Most of them are going about with magic power. They can initiate you, they can do something to track you down or to destroy you. So avoid having anything to do with a woman who jump from one point to another for the sole aim of making money. You may be disgusting to her, but because she wants to destroy you, she will accept to sleep with you. And this will also affect your destiny, affect your business, affect things in your life. And if you don't want anything like this, please avoid this type of woman if you want the best in your life. So this is my best advice to all men and also to all women, because this is a vice versa. Please stick to this advice if you need progress and success in your life. So thank you for watching, and this is what I want to disclose. I hope you get value. Join this channel or support this channel by hitting the like button, subscribe, and make sure that you turn on the bell. Anytime I upload a new video, you will get notified of my new upload. If you have questions and comments, please drop it down in the comment section, or if you want me to make any video for you, drop it in the comment section. I will never hesitate to reply or do that video for you. I wish you the best. See you in my next video. Bye.